Today we are making a simple yet delicious Mexican red rice. So add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and add 1 cup of washed white rice and cook it until it's slightly brown, stirring occasionally. In a separate pan, you're going to add 2 cups of water at the lowest heat, add 1 packet of sazon Goya, the cilantro y tomate, and 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon. I like to heat up this mixture so that the seasonings dissolve easily and so that the water doesn't jump up too much when I add it to the rice. I also minced 1 clove of garlic into the rice. When the rice is light golden color, add the water with the seasonings and bring it to a simmer. Then cover it and reduce the heat all the way down to low. On my stovetops, it takes about 15 minutes to cook fully, but it might be different for you, so just check it after 20 minutes. So just check to see if all the water is absorbed and try not to let too much steam escape. Once all the water is absorbed, that's when you know it's ready. Mexican rice is a staple in my home, and if I could, I would eat it with pretty much every meal. But today I'm eating it with some carne con chile, some black beans, and some homemade flour tortillas, which I'll show you how to make in another video.
This one's nice.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think and if you would try this at home.
So good. Everything tastes so good.
Yeah, it was really